Good morning, students. We are doing chapter 3, playing with numbers. We already know how to find common factors and common multiples of two or more numbers. Prime factorization by factor tree and division method. Now, we will learn about highest common factor, that is HCF. Now, what is highest common factor? The highest common factor, that is HCF, of two or more given numbers is the highest or greatest of their common factors. We know how to find out the factors. The highest among all the common factors will be our HCF, that is highest common factor. It is also known as greatest common divisor. The other name of highest common factor is greatest common divisor, that is GCD. Let's take an example, 8 and 12. We will first find out the factors of 8, which are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Then we have factors of 12, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now our next step will be to find out the common factors. The common factors of 8 and 12 are 1. You can see that 1 is there in both 8 and 11, 8 and 12. Then 2 is there and then 4 is there. So 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of 8 and 12. To find out HCF, that is highest common factor, we will look at the highest common factor among all. Which one is? This is 4. So highest common factor is 4. That is HCF is 4. We have found out the factors of 8 and 12, then common factors. Then out of all common factors, we will look at the highest one, which is 4. So highest common factor is 4. Methods for finding HCF. We have two methods to find out HCF. The very first is prime factorization method. And second one is division method. So one by one, we will discuss prime factorization method also and division method also. Let's take an example. First, we will solve by prime factorization method. HCF of 72 and 108. Children, when we did the factorization, the prime factorization is possible only if we will take the prime numbers only, like 2, 3, 5, 7, up to so on. As we are doing the prime factorization of 72, we will start with 2. If it is divisible by 2, yes, it is divisible by 2. 2 into 36. 2 36 are 72. We got 36. Now we will again check on what table will it go. Again, it goes on 2's table, right? Then what would come here? 2 dash are 36. 2 18s are 36, right? Again, we will look at the number. If it is divisible by 2 or not. Yes, it is divisible by 2 and we got 9, right? So now we will see whether it is divisible by 2 or not. No, 9 is not divisible by 2. So next number, next prime number is 3. So we will look at 3. Yes, 3 can divide 9. So 3 3s are 9. Again, 3 can be divided by 3 only. So 3 1s are 3. So we have got 1 here and all these numbers in the multiplication are the prime factors of 72. Similarly, to this side, we have 108, 108. We will start with 2. It goes on 2's table. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. We got 54, which is again divisible by 2. So 2 27s are 54. Then 27 we will check. It is going on 3's table. 3 9s are 27. Then 9, 3 3s are 9. Then 3 3 1s are 3. This is the prime factorization of 108. Right? Now, 72 will be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. And 108 will be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So, HCF of 72 and 108 is, how we will write this? We can circle the common factors. The common factors are, you can see that 2 is the common factor, then again 2 is the common factor, right? And next is this 3 is the common factor, and this 3 is the common factor, right? So when we multiply all the common factors, we get HCF. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 will give you 36. So 36 is the HCF of 72 and 108. So this is prime factorization method. Children, you have already done the prime factorization, right? Here we have learned how to find out HCF. How to find out HCF? Get the common factors, multiply them, and then you will get the HCF, highest common factor. Next is division method. To find out the division, to find out the HCF by division method, what we will do, place the greater number in the division and smaller number outside. 72 ones are 72. Now subtract and get the remainder. What is the remainder? 36. Then place this number inside the division. 36 2s are 72 and the remainder is 0. We will do this process until we get 0 as the remainder. The last divisor is the HCF of 72 and 108, that is 36. So HCF is 36. You can see that here also we got 36, here also we got 36. Just the difference of method is there. This is division method, in which we put the smaller number outside the division sign, greater number inside the division sign, then we divide. Whatever the remainder is in the next step will be out, and whatever the divisor was will go in the division sign, and then we will do divide. And we will do this process until we will get 0 as the remainder. So here 36 is our answer. This was division method. So this was all about HCF, children, prime factorization method and division method. Thank you.